Forecast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Thursday after the dovish FOMC minutes from the previous day continued to impact. The greenback ended the day at 1.3096 to the euro and 98.95 to the yen. Today's data includes the Michigan Confidence Survey, which is expected to rise to 84.7 from 84.1. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Thursday on a wave of risk appetite after global stocks rallied following expectations the Fed would continue with their dovish policies for longer than previously thought. The single currency ended the day at 1.3096 to the dollar and 129.57 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone industrial production, which is expected to fall by minus 1.3% from minus 0.6% previously and minus 0.3% from 0.4% month on month. British pound. The pound rose after it was pulled higher by a general increase in optimism after central banks, the Fed included, looked like they would be keeping their accommodative policy measures for the foreseeable future, allowing financial markets to benefit from the resulting liquidity. Sterling ended the day at 1.5181 to the dollar and 0.8623 to the euro. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Thursday as a result of a drop in safety flows following a rebound in sentiment as accommodative policy from the world's central banks appeared to be well entrenched. The yen rose versus the dollar, however, after the BOJ raised its assessment of the economic outlook for the seventh consecutive month in a row. The yen ended the day at 98.95 to the dollar and 150.21 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.3014 with 1.2099 and 1.2095 as next targets. The upside penetration of 1.3014, which will call for a rebound towards 1.3205 and 1.325. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.505 with targets at 1.5235 and 1.5295. The downside breakout of 1.505, which will open the way to 1.5 and 1.4091. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 99.55 with targets at 98.2 and 97.6. The upside breakout of 99.55, which will open the way to 100 and 100.45. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good weekend.